Brooklyn Bridge. And now the Manhattan Bridge. So we're gonna go across the Brooklyn Bridge here. We'll go ahead and put in that slow mode or whatever. Be walking across a little bit, right? Brooklyn.
Como eu disse, meu nariz tá gelado. Alright, so we're here crossing the Brooklyn Bridge, and I don't like heights, and I'm really cold right now. It sounds miserable. It's beautiful, but it sounds. He is warm. This jacket is warm. My lips are cracked. I'm cold. But okay, look, I'm gonna show you now.
We're in the Dumbo area of Brooklyn, and looky on up there.
And look over there, $200 keratin treatment instead of $300 in Denver. So yeah, crazy, right? Why is like that?
Here's just a suggestion, but I think that dead bodies always show up right there. So we just walked out. So I personally think it's gorgeous here. And we've been talking about the cost and everything, and yeah, you might think it costs a lot, and it does. It's expensive. But if you compare it to other cities where you have to drive a car, you might have 2 cars, or whatever, trucks, you subtract the cost of all that stuff, and it might be a little bit more expensive, but for the most part, you can make more here. So it's pretty tempting because it's a walkable city and it's great. So, just some thoughts.
Rooftop in Brooklyn, Dumbo. So I'm just gonna film around here. So it's a great place. See this over there. Okay, this says over there, timeout rooftop. So it's a great place to come and take pictures. Yeah, there you go. That's the Manhattan Bridge. So no, it's good. So I'm gonna keep filming. So it's gonna be. It's very nice. It's so beautiful. We took a bunch of pictures already. So it's very nice. My beanie! So it's different stands, so different food stands, I think. Yeah, seems to have many foods. Southern comfort food. Bombay. It smells so good. Yeah, I really want to eat here, but I'm really not hungry. We got a bagel this morning, and I'm like, I don't think we're gonna eat here. I would love to, but we're leaving tomorrow, so we come back next time we come back here. We can just explore more food-wise, but it sounds really good. They have all kinds of foods. So the
I smelled bacon.
I know. Smell bacon, so it sounds really good. So let's see.
Those companies.
I'll put my hand.
So I know, right? So what?
Go ahead, so I can see how big it is.
Oh, it's huge. Look at the size of these donuts. We said we were not gonna eat it, but I mean, might as well, right? Since we're here. So we got some dough from that nut. Yeah, original donuts. They have so much stuff.
Let's say we want to start a new business.
How good is this?
Oh my god, the hibiscus one are so delicious. It's like, I'm just eating so slow because it's so good.
Me, on the other hand, I ate the hibiscus, and now I'm eating the chocolate. It is delicious. And this is dough, homemade artisanal donuts. Delicious.
So we actually went into here and we had some donuts, and oh my god, they were so delicious and huge. So if you're in Brooklyn, just on the other side of the Brooklyn Bridge down in what is it called? Oh, you can look it up. But yeah, Brooklyn Bridge is right here. So you go off the Brooklyn Bridge, you'll take a left, come down. We think of it real tight of the area. It's a good place. There's like 30 different places in here to eat. And we just decided to have donuts. It was great. So one thing we've noticed is like pedicures, manicures are about $20
pay $30 cheaper here in New York and Brooklyn than they are, like, say, in Denver. So there it'd be like $50. Here it's like $30. I mean, it's just a huge difference.
Yeah, and here they have like cleaners and clothes repairing, which I cannot find there.
And shoe repair
Shoe
and
repair,
everything else.
Cannot find it.
I mean, and everything's so walkable.